If you want to improve your life, watch this video till the end. Welcome to the Stoic Saga. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how Stoicism can transform your life from turmoil to tranquility. Stay tuned, because this guide might just be the turning point you've been searching for. Number 1. Understand what you can control. First, recognize the fundamental Stoic principle. Understand what you can control and what you cannot. Focus your energy on your actions, thoughts, and reactions. Let go of the need to control external events and other people's opinions. This shift in perspective can greatly reduce stress and anxiety. Number 2. Practice self-discipline. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-discipline. Set clear goals, establish routines, and stick to them. Whether it's regular exercise, a balanced diet, or dedicated study time, discipline helps you build a foundation for a successful and fulfilling life. Number 3. Embrace adversity. Embrace adversity as an opportunity for growth. Stoics believe that challenges are not obstacles but pathways to improvement. When faced with difficulties, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And how can this make me stronger? This mindset turns setbacks into powerful lessons. Number 4. Cultivate virtue. At the heart of Stoicism are the 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Cultivate these virtues in your daily life. Seek wisdom through continuous learning, practice courage by facing your fears, strive for justice by being fair and empathetic, and maintain temperance by balancing your desires and actions. Number 5. Reflect daily. Daily reflection is a key Stoic practice. Take time each evening to reflect on your day. Ask yourself, what did I do well? Where did I falter? And how can I improve tomorrow? This habit helps you stay mindful and continuously evolve as a person. Number 6. Live in accordance with nature. Understand and respect the natural order of the world. Accept that change is inevitable and everything is interconnected. Simplify your life and find contentment in the present moment rather than constantly striving for more. Number 7. Develop emotional resilience. Develop emotional resilience by practicing mindfulness and detachment. Recognize that your emotions are within your control. When faced with negative emotions, observe them without judgment and let them pass. This strengthens your inner peace and stability. Number 8. Be grateful. Gratitude is a powerful Stoic practice. Each day, remind yourself of the things you are grateful for. This shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a sense of contentment and joy. Share your gratitude with others and spread positivity. By embracing these Stoic principles, you can transform your life and navigate it with wisdom, resilience, and tranquility. Remember, the journey of self-improvement is continuous. Stay committed and let Stoicism guide you to a fulfilling and balanced life. Thanks for watching the Stoic Saga. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on living a Stoic life.